I'm going to be recreating the desert eye makeup look that is popular now, especially on TikTok. I'm just going to use a little bit of my brown, which I'm using from my Nude Me eyeshadow palette from I Envy. So I'm just going to apply some here, some here, and I'm going to apply a little of this color in my eyebrows. I'm going to redo that again. And I'm going to use my, oops, wrong one. I'm going to use my rough color here, or should I use, I'm going to use Please Me. I'm going to use Please Me instead. And I'm going to apply that in the middle of my eye. And I'm going to blend it with my finger. And I'm going to go back in with my brown. And you can also apply the brown underneath. It don't have to be perfect. I use my concealer. And I'm going to use my clean brush again and just going to lay it out like that. So it's giving you that desert look. And just use your sponge or your brush and just blend it all the way down. So it's giving you that desert look. That's it on that. I'm going to use a dark brown. And I'm going to go across like that. Oops. And that's it. Be right back. And there you have it, desert makeup look. And I use Kiss I Envy makeup palette. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Hello beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy tutorial, desert makeup look tutorial, which anyone can do. All you need is dark brown, mostly warm tone colors, and you can just put a scarf on and call it a day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.